Right, we have news just coming in at this point in time. Trump has reiterated, he wants Greenland. He says it's time, it'll be done now, quote unquote. NATO's Russia threat ignored by Denmark. Trump says NATO has been telling Denmark for 20 years that you have to get Russian threat underway away from Greenland. Trump says Denmark has been unable to do anything about it. Now it's time and it will be done. It's a threat that has been made by the American president. Greenland threats to allies are without parallel is what he's indicated. Also, once again, Shivani issuing the threat of tariffs that he has done for opposing the Greenland plan.
That the US president has given now with context to Greenland. Now what he's trying to give out is that it's the time. That means some kind of military action also is being hinted at by President Trump, because he's been making a number of statements to which a lot of reaction is also coming in. There seems to be a divide among the NATO nations. There are few nations that are not sending their military towards Greenland, while the others are opposing whatever US president has been saying. So now there's a fresh statement by US President Donald Trump regarding Greenland, that he says that the NATO has been, there has been a threat, the Russian threat has been there, and since 20 years, Denmark has not done anything to avoid that threat, but now it is time. So this reiteration and these statements are now hinting towards some kind of action that US president is hinting at. Sneha.
You know, the Arctic is now a strategic priority, isn't it? That's what one can really conclude with these statements also that has been made. Of course, Trump's just being Trump here.
Certainly, Sneha, it is a strategic point that is now being perceived as when it comes to Greenland and Arctic. But it is also, it should be understood that the nations that have been opposing the statements being made by US President Donald Trump, that there should be no overpowering against the will of a nation, because, you know, Greenland has been under control of Denmark, and people inside Greenland have been opposing and protesting against the statements being given out by US President Donald Trump. There have been statements that are coming in now from Germany, from many other countries. They are all opposing what is being said by US President Donald Trump, who says that Greenland poses a threat to the national security, and he has been hinting at some kind of military action. There are military bases of United States in Greenland also. So this is certainly a strategic area which is being highlighted here again and again, not only by US President Donald Trump, but the countries, the NATO countries, and many of them, they are against strictly whatever is being said and being perceived and hinted at by the US president regarding Greenland.
Shivani, getting those details, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. That's a statement that has been made by Donald Trump, once again reiterating that he wants Greenland.